Who's this calling me? Hello? Oh, yeah, I can't talk right now. I'm doing my boy shit. All right, Danny. What's up, YouTube? Just got my three-piece Street Faction wing in, and we're going to be doing an unboxing and install today. Hold it. That's legit. Let's set this over here. So you got your bash bar. The end plates for the wing. Oh look, they even sent you a little screwdriver to put it together with. Alright, let's get started. So this is what we got to put on. You know, this slides into where the rear bumper goes. But we got to get this car turned around, and that's where those come in handy. See how well this thing fits. Picasso. So here she is. The three-piece Street Faction chassis mount wing.